Everybody, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Bittorrent token, and I'm also talking about the quick pump of the BTT token. When will the price take a quick jump? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, let's start the video without waste any time. The currently and live price of the BTT token in the market is 0.003703 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Bittorrent token in the market. And on the other hand, if you look the changes over the BTT token, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of the BTT token is going negative in the market. And on the other hand, if you look the last 1 week changes, so now the last 1 week changes is positive 29.54%. The price increased just in the last 1 week. So guys, from the last 1 week the price changes is positive. That's mean that from the 1st August, the price start pump and still they are in the pumping mode. Let me show you the price chart and let's do some technical analysis. Oh guys, you can see here, my friends, now this time to yesterday, my friends, the price completely jumps. But if you look the latest situation, you can see here in the latest situation the last 60-minute changes is going positive again. At this time the price jump, and after dump the price will pump. So now the quick pump is coming soon. Be alert and get ready for a pump. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.